Are you looking for Word Power Up content? It's a quick update as of February 2021. Power Up training launched in October 2020. Our current focus is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is pretty easy because there's a start and a middle and an end to most presentation projects. Word, however, is a much more complicated and creative tool. It's a favorite piece for me, and I have years of experience using Microsoft Word as a curriculum designer, a small business owner, and a long document creator for corporate documentation. I've used Microsoft Word for letters and emails as an Outlook add-in, created brochures, mailing lists, classroom books, and humongous documentations, plus more. I know Word inside and out, and I can make my expertise your expertise for free. Look forward for our training videos starting in the summer of 2021. And if you have a particular topic you'd like for me to cover, leave them in the comments below, and I will prioritize them by popularity. Until then, do subscribe to our channel as it encourages me to make more free training video for you. Hang in there, and we'll soon power you up on Word. Until then, power up.